What's up everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about Songbird Airdrop. So Flare Network announced that they're going to be doing Songbird Airdrop and it's going to be EXFI. So here's what's going to happen. Flare Finance will do a snapshot of all balances holding Songbird token and wrap Songbird. So if you don't know what's a wrap, that's mean you delegated your tokens to something else or to some kind of smart contract. The snapshot will take place on November 5th at 7 p.m. European time or at 1 p.m. East Coast US time. And at this snapshot, all holders of Songbird token or wrapped Songbird token will receive EXFI token, originally named for SFLR. It's just a secondary governance token and primary fee replacement token used on EXFI platform. And then if we scroll down, we're going to see distribution ratios. So for example, if you hold 235 Songbird token, you'll receive one EXFI token. Total supply is going to be 110 millions. Airdrop is going to be 40 millions. Yield cloud is going to be 40 millions. Foundation reserves 20 millions and team allocation is 10 millions. Since the total supply is not near what Songbird or actual Flare tokens are, most likely EXFI token will go up in a price later on. So the EXFI token will be used for various ways across EXFI platform, being used as a fee replacement token on Flare X, and is going to be used farm for yield in the form of SFIN on Flare farm, and it also can be used to create canned on Flare loans. And then additionally, when all projects are going to be launched on a Flare network, then so there's like 4 more projects that's going to be launching on a Flare network, then you can use EXFI to purchase NFTs and then participate in auctions and Flare drop, provide coverage pool, and purchase coverage on the Flare Mutual. And the last thing is going to be for vote on Flare governance and enact change across platform. So here's the actual timeline. So here's what's going to happen. On November 5th, the snapshot is going to happen. Then from November 5th through 8th, we all going to receive EXFI tokens in our wallets. So it's going to be exactly the same wallet where you are actually keeping right now your Songbird tokens. Most likely, you're just going to have to add different contract address. Once they're going to do that, once I'm going to receive the tokens, I'm going to create a video how to add another token on your Flare network or Songbird token. So for example, if we open our MetaMask and in here we are Songbird token, and right now I have Songbird tokens. And for example, if it's going to be just like a separate contract address, we're just going to have to press on that token and then add that contract address here. And then tokens technically supposed to appear, but we're gonna have to wait until that's actually gonna happen to see the actual contract address, unless they're gonna do some kind of other way. Also, until then, if you would like, you can go to BitTrue website and purchase more Songbird tokens, so that way your airdrop is going to be bigger because you still have a little bit of time from now and until November 5th. Then also EXFI will begin Flare farm and Flare loans between November 9th and 15th, and then between November 15th and 18th, audit will be released. So they're going to be releasing 3 different audits. One of them is Halborn, and then Tale of Bits, and I think one of the bigger ones, or it's actually one of the more expensive one, is Certec, also going to be released between 15th and 18th. And then starting November 18 and moving forward, EXFI will operate on Songbird network. So it's going to be Songbird Finance. And as the main point for deploying experimental finance, so that's EXFinance, EXFI modules in hope of those new modules being pulled from Songbird Finance into Flare Finance when actually Flare is going to go live. And then right here, you can see DeFi oracles, supply, and a time. And then if we open new tab here and we'll go to this website, and I'll leave link in the description below. This is BitTrue. This is at the time of recording this video. This is the only one exchange that's selling Songbird. You can register here and you can start purchasing more Songbird tokens so that way you can get bigger airdrop. And if, for example, you're in a country where BitTrue is not supported, which you can do, you can download VPN and run VPN on your computer and then register here and purchase Songbird tokens, because at this time I don't think BitTrue is actually requiring KYC. And this is pretty much it. That's all I got for now. Once the airdrop is gonna happen, I'm gonna create another video to show you guys how you can access your airdrop, and hopefully BitTrue or somebody else is gonna list on their exchange, and we're gonna be able to see the actual price at least when airdrop is gonna happen. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.